let's talk about something we all ignore. Something that sits quietly in the corner of your closet or bag, almost invisible until the sky opens up. Until it rains, we barely give it a thought. But when the first drops fall, suddenly, the umbrella becomes your most trusted companion. It seems simple, just a canopy on a stick, but making one is anything but straightforward. There's a world of complexity hidden beneath that fabric. I'm inside a massive factory, surrounded by the roar of machines, the clatter of tools, and the constant bustle of workers moving with purpose. This isn't a quaint workshop tucked away in a back alley. It's a sprawling operation, a hive of activity built to keep you dry no matter the storm. Raw materials come in by the truckload: fabric, metal, plastic, and finished umbrellas go out by the thousands, ready to face the elements. Giant rolls of fabric are sliced with laser precision, while metal frames are assembled nearby, each piece fitting together like a puzzle. Every part, from the tiniest screw to the final stitch, must be perfect, or you'll end up soaked and frustrated on a rainy day. The air smells of machine oil and hot metal, charged with focused energy and the hum of synchronized teamwork. These workers aren't just assembling parts, they're crafting a portable shield against the unpredictable weather, one careful step at a time. There's real science here. From the tension in the springs to the waterproof coatings, every detail is engineered for reliability and strength. Most people never see this process, but we all depend on it, whether we realize it or not. Today, we'll follow the journey from raw materials to the finished umbrella you grab on your way out the door, tracing every step along the way. It's a story of ingenuity, hard work, and unsung heroes who make sure you stay dry when the weather turns. Stick with me. This is where the magic happens, hidden in plain sight. It's not glamorous, but it's essential. And by the end, you'll never look at your umbrella the same way again. Every umbrella starts with a delivery. Massive lorries unloading the essentials. These shipments arrive at dawn, long before the factory floor comes alive, setting the stage for everything that follows. First, fabric, huge rolls of nylon or polyester, chosen for their lightness and water resistance, in every color imaginable. These textiles are carefully sourced from trusted suppliers, ensuring consistency and durability for every umbrella produced. Next, metal. Steel and aluminum rods, tubes and wires destined to become the umbrella's skeleton. The strength and flexibility of these metals are crucial, as they must withstand wind and repeated use. Boxes of springs, rivets, plastic tips and handles, wood, plastic, or rubber, complete the kit. Each component is designed for a specific function, from opening mechanisms to comfortable grips. Once unloaded, everything is sorted and sent to its department, fabric to cutting, metal to frame assembly, handles to storage. This careful organization keeps the workflow smooth and efficient. This stage is all about logistics, making sure every part is in the right place at the right time. Coordination here prevents costly mistakes and keeps production on schedule. A single delay can halt the entire line. If even one shipment is late or misplaced, the whole process grinds to a stop, affecting deadlines and deliveries. Someone has to order the exact amount of blue polyester, the right gauge of steel, and the correct number of handles. Inventory managers must anticipate needs and track every item, balancing supply and demand. The supply chain is complex, and the receiving team are its gatekeepers. They verify shipments, cross-check paperwork, and ensure nothing is missing or damaged. They check every batch for quality. One bad roll of fabric or weak metal rod could ruin thousands of umbrellas. Quality control at this stage prevents costly errors down the line. Their attention to detail is the foundation of the whole operation. Every inspection, every checklist, ensures only the best materials move forward. Without them, nothing else works. The entire production process depends on their diligence and expertise. It's a job that requires precision and vigilance. Even the smallest oversight can have big consequences for the finished product. The journey of an umbrella truly begins here, with raw materials transformed by careful hands and sharp eyes. With everything in place, the factory is ready to bring umbrellas to life. Let's see what happens next. Now, the umbrella starts to take shape in the cutting room, where the transformation from raw material to a functional product truly begins. This is where precision and teamwork are essential. Giant rolls of fabric, often made from polyester or nylon for their durability and water resistance, are loaded onto long tables or directly into automated cutting machines. The goal is to create precise, triangular panels, known as gores, that will eventually form the umbrella's canopy. Each panel must be cut with exact measurements to ensure a perfect fit. For a standard umbrella, 8 identical panels are needed, though some specialty umbrellas may use more or fewer panels depending on their design. Accuracy is crucial. A wrong cut means a lopsided umbrella, which can compromise both appearance and function. In modern factories, computer-controlled blades slice dozens of panels in seconds, ensuring every piece is uniform and minimizing fabric waste, a key factor in efficient production. Once cut, the panels are carefully bundled and sent to the sewing department, where the next stage of assembly begins. Here, skilled operators use industrial sewing machines to stitch the triangles together, gradually forming the familiar octagonal canopy shape. They use strong, water-resistant thread to keep seams tight and leak-proof, ensuring the umbrella will stand up to wind and rain. A small, circular patch is sewn at the center for reinforcement, strengthening the point where the canopy attaches to the frame. Sometimes, a waterproof sealant is added to the seams, providing extra protection against leaks and extending the life of the umbrella. Flat fabric becomes a three-dimensional shield, thanks to the speed, skill, and attention to detail of these artisans, who ensure every canopy is up to standard. Every stitch matters. This is the umbrella's first line of defense against the elements. With the canopy complete, the frame awaits its turn in the assembly process. While the canopy is sewn, the frame, the umbrella's skeleton, is built elsewhere. Steel or fiberglass rods are cut, shaped, and drilled for strength and flexibility. Ribs and stretchers are assembled using rivets, forming the structure that opens and closes the umbrella. Specialized machines press and shape the metal, while workers connect the pieces with precision. The top notch, where all ribs meet, must be especially strong. Manual dexterity is key. A single loose rivet can ruin the frame. The result: a lightweight, robust structure engineered to withstand wind and rain. It's a blend of brute force and delicate craftsmanship. The frame is now ready to meet the canopy. Let's see how it all comes together. The shaft is the umbrella's backbone: steel, aluminum, or wood, sometimes telescopic for portability. Assembling telescopic shafts requires precision so they slide and lock smoothly. The runner, a hub that slides up and down, connects to the stretchers and controls opening and closing. A spring-loaded catch locks the umbrella open. The tension must be just right. The assembled frame is attached to the shaft, the top notch fixed at the top, stretchers connected to the runner. For the first time, the umbrella opens and closes in that familiar motion. The handle is attached last, glued and sometimes screwed for strength. Whether straight plastic or curved wood, the handle must be comfortable and secure. This is the part you'll grip in a storm, so it can't fail. Now the umbrella is nearly complete. All the engineering comes together in your hand, but there's still one crucial step left. Time for final assembly. Now, the stitched canopy and assembled frame are joined. A worker drapes the canopy over the open frame, aligning the center with the shaft. The canopy's edge is sewn to the tips of each rib, securing the fabric and giving the umbrella its shape. Precision is vital. Any unevenness and the umbrella won't fold or open properly. The ferrule, a cap at the top, finishes the look and adds waterproofing. At this stage, the umbrella is unmistakably whole. It opens, closes, and is ready for use. All the separate production lines converge here. It's a moment of transformation. Raw materials become a single, functional product. But before it leaves the factory, one last test awaits. Quality is everything. Let's see how it holds up. Every umbrella faces a rigorous inspection before leaving the factory. Workers open and close each umbrella, checking for smooth action and secure locking. They inspect the canopy for flaws, the stitching for strength, and the frame for bent ribs or loose rivets. The handle must be firmly attached and free of defects. Some umbrellas undergo extra tests, wind tunnels or simulated downpours, to ensure durability and waterproofing. Any umbrella that fails is rejected or sent for repair. Only those that pass every test move on. Quality control is relentless. Thousands check daily. It's the final guarantee that your umbrella won't let you down. Without this step, all the hard work could be wasted. Now, the umbrella is ready for the world. The umbrella has passed inspection and is ready for its journey. Workers fold it neatly, secure it with the tie wrap, and slip it into a protective sleeve. Tags and labels are attached. Brand, price, care instructions. Each umbrella is now a finished retail product. They're packed into boxes, arranged to prevent damage, and sealed for shipping. The warehouse is stacked high with boxes, ready for distribution. Forklifts move pallets to the loading docks where lorries await. The same docks that received raw materials now send umbrellas out to the world. From factory to shop, it's a journey of precision and teamwork. Next time you grab an umbrella, remember the hands and machines behind it, all so you can stay dry, no matter what the weather brings.